Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are trying Mixed Media Girls Tornado Pour. I have some leftover paint from my students, so I am just going to start pouring. This is a leftover canvas that, well, it's a canvas that I didn't care for how the painting dried, so I am just going to pour over it. All right, so the tornado pour is like a traveling tree ring that you, when you get to the end, you go back the other direction and it forms like a tornado look. So let's just start our traveling tree ring down here at the end. And as you get to the end of your paint, you go back the other direction. Okay. All right. Let's see if we can get this stretched out good. I don't know if I have enough paint on this end over here. That pink is very distinct in the green though, so. I am really worried about this corner over here. Okay, well, let's just go off this corner. Then pull it back that direction. Okay. All right. All right, I am not crazy about this. I think I'm just going to go with it. The tornado pour is not my favorite. All right, actually, there are some pretty interesting areas, but all in all, you don't know. All right, I'm going to turn this around this way, and I am going to let it settle for a little while, and then I will bring you in for a close-up. So I will be right back. Okay, this is crazy. I thought I didn't like this, but look at those. Look at those cells. They're so pretty. This really developed up good. That is crazy, crazy. Look at all those. That is really cool. I love that part right there. All the way up the middle. All right. Well, there you go. There's my tornado. Turns out I did like this. I'm so glad I didn't just scrape it. Sometimes you really just have to stop yourself and let it develop and then look at it, because I'm telling you, sometimes I'd scrape something or not even give it a chance. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.